everybody, and welcome to our Norwex party. My name is Jen Udink, and I am so excited to get to share some amazing products with you that are going to change your life. I bet you're wondering, why in the world did I get asked to a cleaning party? Well, one, your friend knows that there is a cleaner, safer, better way, and she wanted to share it with you. Two, she wants you to know all my fun tips and tricks and hacks to make cleaning faster and easier for you, because we all want about saving time, right? Nobody likes to be cleaning all the time. So I figured the best way to start was here in the bathroom with the toilet that nobody loves to clean. And I want to show you a little experiment, okay? I want to show you how effective Norwex microfiber is with just water compared to some harsher chemicals that you're probably already using. So normally when I clean my bathroom, or when I clean my toilet, I just use this cloth right here. This is called our Enviro cloth. This cloth removes 99% of bacteria with just water, and I don't have to use gloves or anything. But as part of my experiment, I'm going to be using some of these things. These actually say that they are hazardous to humans and domesticated animals. So I'm gonna throw on some gloves real quick, and then I'm gonna show you something really, I would say cool, but it's more like gross. So we're gonna have some fun at cleaning my toilet. So hang out with me and let's get started. I want to show you, I don't know if you are aware that urine and a lot of yucky things will glow under a black light. So I did put some glow germ on here, which glow germ is what, when they're teaching little kids how to wash their hands, they'll put glow germ on them, have them rub that around, and it glows in the dark, okay? It simulates germs. So I put a little bit on my toilet just so you can see it better in the dark. It's easy to see if you're real life, but harder to see on the camera. So I'm gonna throw my black light on here and turn off the light, so you guys can see the glowing lines here on the toilet, on all the gross and yucky stuff. And it actually was really, I don't know if you can see it in that video or not, but the men in my life, there's a lot of them in this house. It's everywhere. There is glowing all over the walls, all the way out here. I don't know how that happens, honestly. It's so disgusting. But we are gonna clean this toilet. So I'm gonna turn our light back on. Now what I have got here, these are protein test swabs, okay? I get these from a health inspection company. This is what health inspectors use when they go in and test restaurants for cleanliness. This tests for proteins, okay? Urine is a protein, that's why it glows in the black light. And so I'm gonna do a control. So we're gonna swab the toilet before we clean it. If it's purple, there's proteins present. If it's green, that means it's clean. We can obviously see that this toilet is not clean at all. So we are gonna just swab around this toilet and show you how these work. You can see that instantly turned purple. That toilet's disgusting, right? So I'm gonna stick our control right here in the middle. All right, now I'm going to take a disinfecting wipe, okay? It's typically what a lot of people use to clean their toilets. Now, if you read the directions on the disinfecting wipes, the surface is supposed to remain wet for 10 minutes. That's a lot of wipes that you're gonna go through trying to keep that surface wet for 10 minutes. But we're gonna give it a wipe down like I used to do when I was cleaning with disinfecting wipes. I didn't know I needed to do it for 10 minutes. So I would wipe my surface down, get the bad boys down here that I can see, right? Thinking I'm doing a good job, getting it all clean. All right. I mean, I got stuff on there, right? It looks clean, so I'm thinking I'm pretty good. New test swab. We're gonna test that surface that we just cleaned. All right. And unfortunately, that's pretty purple. We just cleaned that, right? Throw that one in there. All right, now I am going to take my Enviro cloth. This is just wet with water. So Norwex microfiber removes 99% of bacteria with just water. The microfiber is so super small. It's 1/200th the diameter of a human hair. So normal microfiber is 1/6 the diameter of human hair. Norwex microfiber is 1/200. It makes it super, super small. So not only is it gonna grab bacteria and all those kind of things, it is gonna grab all the way down to the protein level. So that's what I'm showing you here. So we're just wipe that down. We're just wiping it with water, so maybe we wipe it twice, right? Gonna grab another protein swab. Test it really good, like we did with the other side. Now that was cleaned with just water, guys. Isn't that amazing? Microfiber and water. It's got it cleaner than our control for sure, right? And this is our protein swab, or this is the disinfecting wipe. So this is the disinfectant wipe, and this is the Norwex microfiber. Now, the Norwex microfiber, maybe we wiped the toilet down twice, but we were just cleaning with water, and it still saved us time because we didn't have to clean it for 10 solid minutes to make sure it was actually clean. So let's turn our backlight back on again, and let's check this out. All right, you can see on our disinfecting wipe side that we smeared. A lot of that just smeared. It didn't actually come off of the toilet. It just kind of smeared it, which is why it's still showing up as still purple. And on our Norwex side, that looks a whole lot better. I missed a spot. I miss a spot sometimes. Look at that ring. Crazy, right? So, which one's gonna be easier for you? Being able to just wipe down with water, or actually having to scrub and keep scrubbing and keep that toilet clean for 10 minutes and still be worried that you're just smearing stuff around? We don't wanna be doing that, right? So stick with me. There's gonna be demos today on tips for your bathroom. We're gonna go all over the bathroom and show you the easiest ways to keep it clean, fast, and easy. And then there's gonna be posts and demos all week long. So make sure you're commenting on those. The more that you comment, the more tickets you're gonna win to win prizes that we're gonna have given away. We're gonna cover our bathrooms. We're gonna cover the kitchen. We're gonna cover laundry, because that's a battle, right? And then I'm gonna show you my top 5 products to just really make huge changes in your house. So we're gonna hit some individual rooms, and then just know that you can take care of your whole home with Norwex products without having to worry about harmful chemicals in your life. So if you are somebody, or you have somebody that you love that suffers from allergies, that has eczema or psoriasis or health conditions, ADHD, migraines, all kinds of things, ditching the chemicals can make a huge change in your life. So stick with me. We're gonna have lots of fun. Remember to comment on the posts and the demos. Tell me what you like the best. Ask questions. We are here for you, and I hope that you learn a ton. All right, I'll see you in the next one.